Hey folks, I'm your man Ube here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the walk around on 2022 Grand Jeep Cherokee WK Laredo 4x4. This thing comes in stain gray. Really gotta love the black accents on this beauty. And I gotta love the grille, the standard Jeep grille symbol. As down here, it's also great, black. And this here helps with your forward collision. It looks like a little eye in the sky. It's pretty cool actually. So you come around the side, we got our 20-inch tires, black rims, very nice and slick. As we walk down the side, this thing also comes with key proximity. Just push the button right here, it unlocks, but I won't do that right now as it's fresh off the truck. Still in ship mode. I love the black accents coming down here, especially the roof rack. The outside, can't get in there, you got a lock on the inside for your fuel. You come on back, this thing has, you got your 4x4 all blacked out. Here you got your backup sensors. Yeah, it's nice, slick, real nice and clean. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, I'm your man Ube here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the interior of this beautiful 2022 Grand Jeep Cherokee WK Laredo 4x4. We'll start off right from the top. We got a lovely sunroof. It's coming limited this year, so certain vehicles come with them, some vehicles don't due to the supply chain. Well, come on over here. We got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. One thing I do like down here is we can control the gas opening for our hatch. Like I said, was the push button before. We come on over here. We got our telescopic steering. As you see, it's still in ship mode, fresh off the truck. Bluetooth controls over here, speed control, not adaptive cruise control, but a cruise control on this side, on your right hand side. Got a nice little eyeglass holder up there for your sunglasses. Controls up here for the garage door opener and also your sunroof. I really like the slick leather and the suede inserts. The park sensors, lane departure, UBS, lots of charging ports, lots of storage. Hey folks, thanks for watching. It's Ube at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. 780-220-3822. Thanks for your time. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.